So today I'm going to tell you about 3 different businesses that I like to support, local businesses, and 3 different reasons why it's good to do that. Hey everybody, and welcome to Planet U. I am coming to you live from this windy fall day in the city. I wanted to hop on here today to talk to you about something that I find is important to incorporate into my life, and I hope you can see the importance of it in your life as well, and that is supporting local businesses. Now, I'm not necessarily putting it out there like, oh, you have to only buy local in everything you do. I know it's very difficult a lot of the time. Like, you're driving, it's late at night, you need to get a quick bite to eat, you're gonna maybe pull into the McDonald's drive-thru. Oh, you forgot to get something for your house that you need. You might have to pop over to Walmart. I get it, those things happen. But I'm just trying to show you when you have the time and the frame of mind to do so, then you could support local businesses in your community. So another place that I really love to go to is called Harvard Street Bakery. So you go in there and it's very intimate quarters. They have all of their family pictures hanging on the wall. So you can see like the history of the generations of their family right there in front of you. They use the same recipes that they've used from day one. And I've seen comments of people online saying that they hadn't gone there for years and they come back and the bread is the exact same quality, the cakes are the exact same quality. They take pride in what they do and they're very passionate about it, and I'm very passionate about supporting them because they are a family that has been part of our economy, our livelihood and everything like that here in that particular neighborhood since 1945. So really, and I found a lot of those businesses in New York City too when I was there. I'm hands down like all about supporting those businesses because those people started from the ground up and they kept it going through all these generations and down through all the hands of their family. So I just think that's so incredible. And just the quality of the food. Like, I know every time I go there, I'm gonna get something that's like baked with love. As opposed to like our recent Tim Hortons video where we showed you the donut, like the icing's like peeling off in the bag. And we got a lot of comments about the quality of the products there and how just people stop caring. This, every time it's made with love and care because it's their reputation. It's not just some big corporate name above their door. It's their reputation. It's their family's reputation. So I love going there for any sorts of baked goods and just to like talk to the people. So one place I wanted to talk to you about, which I stumbled upon randomly, is called Inspiration Studio, and that's here in Toronto. It is a pottery place, okay? And this reason that I have for supporting this is that they support people in their community. Okay, so what I mean by this is their whole thing there is they have brought women in from abusive situations to use their pottery studio. So whether it be, spousal abuse, drug abuse, all sorts of different types of forms of abuse, they've allowed them to come into the studio, create things such as mugs, plates, pieces of art, all sorts of different things. And by doing this, they're giving them a chance to have a creative outlet in order to heal, and also teaching them about money handling skills because they are selling their products through there. So I love to go to this place. I bought myself a coffee mug from this place, and I just bought another mug for a gift. And I like to go to this place because it's supporting people who are really in need of help to better themselves. And I like this business because it's looking to our community and saying, how can we heal the people in our community to make our community better? And you're not just like supporting some nameless charity, which there are so many charities out there. I go to the grocery store all the time. They're like, will you donate money to this? I don't even know where that money's going. This is direct, like hands-on. There's like a name of the person who made the cup on the bottom of the cup. I know that I'm directly helping that person. So it's a lot more hands-on, it's a lot more intimate of a support system for people. So the next one is just kind of like a fun one, okay? And this is called Kream with a K. We did a video about that as well. But this one I like to support because they are a business that is bringing new innovative ideas to, this one is like a bakery, so to culinary cuisine, we'll say. And I like to support businesses like that because big chains and everything, they sort of have to stick to the same thing that they do all the time. They don't want to, make the customers upset by changing things. This small business, they have the opportunity to do something weird. So they are known for their croissant cube. It's like a cube with a nice creamy filling inside. But it's something out of the ordinary that you wouldn't normally see anywhere else. And one of the major points about them, why I even walked through the door in the first place, I saw a sign on the front of their window that said they get all their dairy from Ontario farmers. So right there, you're seeing that they are supporting other businesses, other small businesses, which is, well, farming's not a small business, but it's usually done by families. So they're supporting the farmers, which are of huge importance to our way of living, really. I mean, farmers, they grow and they produce a lot of the food that we consume. Anyone who's giving back to the farmers by supporting them is like great in my books. And so yeah, that's one of the things I love about these small independent businesses. They have the liberty and the freedom to come up with innovative, cool new ideas. Like I just heard of a place that I want to try out soon where they have a Kraggle. Okay, so a lot of these places are combining croissants with other things. There's been the Cruffin, there's been this, that, whatever. The Kraggle, it looks good. It's croissant mixed with a bagel and then turned into a sandwich. So I'm always excited to see what new things are being offered at these little places. So thank you for tuning in to Planet U. We really appreciate you joining us today, and let us know maybe like what are some of your favorite local businesses that you like to support and the reasons why you like to do so and why you feel it's important. Or do you think it's a lot easier and more reliable to support corporations? I'd like to get a few different opinions from everybody, and thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, hit the notifications bell. We love talking with you. See you soon.